Hello everyone, I want to spend a few minutes talking about platform improvements in the November 2022 release. So in this release, we've made improvements around asset portability and better Git integration. So on the portability side, we've improved our import and export. So we've added a public API for the import. Previously, this was only available in the UI. And while you're doing this import, we also allow you to set account fields during the import, and you can also include expression libraries during that same import. For the Git integration, we've added the ability to create both Git tags and Git branches in both the public API and UI to help facilitate collaboration between different pipeline integrators and allow you to version your projects more easily. So here we're inside Postman and we can see a request for the new API. You can see there is one parameter, duplicate check equals false. This just creates a new folder if the folder already exists. There's more details in the docs. And here you can see I've selected the first body parameter, which is my zip file for my project that I've already exported. So I send in that request. You can see I get a response that shows the different assets that were created and their different S-Node IDs. If I go in the application, you can see that that was successfully imported and I have my account and my pipeline. So this is just like the UI today. But you can see we've added an additional option here called file account. So that I can actually attach a separate JSON file. Now, when you do the export, you'll see that we now add a template with the various accounts already separated out into a separate file. So if I look at that in code, here you can see, of course, the secret is encrypted. But let's say I want to import that account into a different environment where the secret is different to authenticate with that different endpoint. What I can do is I can then just copy that template. Here I've done it as accounts.json. Then I can put the secrets that I want to store into the account directly here. Now, usually this would be done by a machine as part of a CI/CD workflow. You wouldn't be doing this manually. This is also, of course, encrypted in the account using either enhanced encryption or cloud keys. And of course, this file is not stored anywhere at rest. So the entire process is done very securely. So I'll submit that request. And now we've imported that account and it's been modified by the accounts.json file I added. We can also add expressions. So often our customers use expressions to define environment-specific variables. So here you can see I imported the expression and it was automatically dropped into the root of the directory. So we've had the ability to create branches in the application. Here you can see I'm checked out to this specific branch, but let's say I want to create a new branch from where I'm working right now. So I just right click, select checkout. It's going to load the repository list defaulting to the current repository. Then you can see here if I actually click under branches tags, I can type in the name of the new branch and then select create branch. And check out. And here you can see at the top, I'm now checked out to the new branch. We've made creating tags much easier in the application. You can see here, I just go into a project space, select the project, select GitHub add tag. Then I can enter the tag message, and it will commit the tag to GitHub. This is great for versioning your project and being able to check out to that specific version at a later time.